That skill presents addition 3. Recall that sum is another word for adding, and it means combining two or more numbers together. In this video, we are going to look into a few examples as to how to add two numbers from right to left, that's starting from the ones digit. Let's say we want to add the numbers 2451 with 3268. I'm going to go ahead and break down each one of the numbers starting with 2451 into its thousands, 2000, hundreds, 400s, tens, 50 means 5 tens, and 1 ones, and do the same with the other number I have, 3268, 3268, and just start adding from the right. 8 plus 1 is 9, so we have 9 ones. 6 plus 5 is 11, we have 11 tenths. 4 plus 2 is 6, 6 hundredths, and 3 plus 2 is 5, 5 thousands. And the only problem is we cannot have a 2 digit in any of these places. So 11 has to be broken down into a 10 and a 1. 10 plus 1 is 11, which means there are 10 tenths and one more 10. 10 tenths is 100. So the number of hundreds in the answer is not 6. It's actually one more than 6. That's 7. And the number of tenths now is only 1. We no longer have 11 tenths because this part has been taken care of. And so the final answer is 5719. How about trying to add, let's say, 29,186 with 975. So we have 29,186 as my first number. This is 20,000, so this time I have a 2 in the 10,000s place, a 9 in the thousands place, that's 29,186. Similarly, my second number is 975, that's 9 in the hundreds place, 7 in the tens place, and 5 in the ones place. Let's add them up. 6 plus 5 is 11, 8 plus 7 is 15, and 1 plus 9 is 10. And we have a 9, we have a 2. And we cannot have 11 over here starting from the right, so we should break it down into a 10 plus a 1, and 10 ones is nothing but a 10, so we have one extra 10. That changes to 16. And we only have 1 ones left. So we have a 1 in the ones place. But hang on, we cannot have a 16 in the tens place. So that needs to be broken down into a 10 plus a 6 again. And 10 tenths is 100. So in place of 10 hundreds in the answer, now we have 11 hundreds. And then only 6 tenths. And we cannot have 11 hundredths. So that needs to be broken down into a 10 plus 1, and 10 hundredths is nothing but 1,000. So we had 9 thousands, and one more thousand makes it 10 thousands. And there's only 100 left over, not 1100 anymore. But then again, we cannot have 10 thousands. That's not allowed. So we just add 1 10,000 to the 10,000s place. This changes to a 3, and we don't have anything under the thousands. So the final answer is 30,161. That's how you add numbers starting from right to left.